o'clock.
Wow, you got a lot of fishing gear.
Yeah. It's all dirt cheap too, man. Pick out what you want and I'll make you a great offer.
I just found a mega yard sale, fishing tackle out the wazoo. I seen on Facebook last night that there's a yard sale in my town and they have all kind of fishing tackle. So I'm gonna go over there and see what they got and see if I can get a good deal. Morning. Wow.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Do I gotta wait till 8 o'clock?
No, this started 7 o'clock.
Oh, did it?
I'm an early riser, man.
I thought it said 8 on Facebook.
No, it's 7 o'clock.
Wow, you got a lot of fishing gear.
Yeah. It's all dirt cheap too, man. Pick out what you want and I'll make you a great offer. One you won't refuse. There's some out here along the bushes too.
Who gave up fishing?
Oh, I didn't give up. I just have, you know, too much. You fish it one rod at a time and I got 400 rods, so.
Wow. What do you, saltwater fish?
Everything, trout, all kind of fish.
What do you got besides the rods? You got a net there?
Oh, I got some more nuts in here. There's all kind of tackle over here. There's all kinds of there's stuff everywhere.
Wow.
Just go ahead and root to your heart content. So.
Wow. Do you have any tackle?
Yeah. That's all rigs. Them rigs are $4.99 a pack. They're striper rigs, drumfish rigs, pod rigs, flounder rigs.
What do you want for all the fishing gear?
All what fishing gear?
All your fishing rods and everything. Anything fishing. If you want a clean house, make me a deal.
I'll make you a deal right now.
A deal I can't refuse, you said.
I'll help you. Road law. In here, there's ugly sticks. There's good reels. There's
Sounds like the price is going up. Ugly
stick. No, it's not. Listen, I'll help you load. There's pens in here. There's beautiful spinning rods in there. There's a lot of beautiful. I just threw it all out of the garage out here. I'm 66 years old. I'm tired of.
God bless you.
I'll sell you every one of these rods and reels right here.
Everything you have, all the tackle.
I'll help you load all these rods and reels, and I'll help you load them all for 200 bucks. All of them, every one of them. There's got to be 100 and some here. That's $2. That's $2 a piece. But if you look and see, there's ugly sticks in here. There's rhinos. There's pen reels. There's some really good rods in here. There's some of them that are never even used. They still got the tags on them.
This is all part of the deal? I said all the tackle.
200 bucks.
I was going to offer 100.
I'll give you all the rods and this pile of tackle here for 150.
120, cash money.
I can't go lower than 150. I can't do it. Christ, there's $100 in tackle here. Go buy them all the plastics in that one bag. You go down to the Struck River gun and bait shops, them bags of tackle are $12 a pack. And you only get 4 of them in a pack. And there's got to be 25, 30 packs of them in there. I mean, that's right in here, right here. Them jig heads, them diamond jigs, that's all they use up north for sea bass fishing and all. They're $10 a piece. And there's got to be between here and here, there's got to be 40 or 50 of them in there. I mean, $150, that's a deal of a lifetime for you.
140. Let's make a deal. Let's do it. We're close. These rods here and that little pile of tackle. 140. Let's make a deal. Fisherman to fisherman. And you still got all your good stuff.
I understand that. All right, load it up.
All right, let's go.
We got a deal of the century here.
I got a deal. I won't forget you when I see you on the water.
Here, grab these. Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Watch, there's one on the bottom. See these here swim baits? These fucking things are expensive, man. I mean, and there's a ton of them in there. I mean, there's a ton of them. Tons of them. Ton of it.
You know, basically, we use live bait. We use green crabs.
So I use green crabs and sand fleas.
All year we fish for fluke from May to September. We use minnows. We catch our own minnows with a minnow trap, cast net. All right, how are we gonna do this? One at a time, I guess. All right, have a good one. Hope you do good today.
Yep, take care, man.
Thank you. I just bought all of these fishing rods and all of this tackle. Anybody want to guess how much I paid? Follow us on YouTube. We're going to be going through all this stuff over the next couple videos. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is get all these reels off these rods and put them in this container because I have to get this boat ready tomorrow to go fishing. All right, I'm counting 100 rods easy here so far. What am I going to do with all this stuff? See anything you like? Five-foot ugly stick. Perfect for the boat. This thing's got a nice feel. Seahawk fluke rod. Feels really good. I might have to use this. Another ugly stick. Okay, we got all the reels off. All right, you've seen all the fishing rods, all the fishing reels. Now with the deal, I also got all this fishing tackle, terminal tackle, baits. Now we're going to look through this and see what we got. All right, bag number one. Got a big jig there. Paddle tails. More soft baits. That's gulp. Just too much stuff here, man. I won't use all this in a lifetime. Fishing line. I wouldn't trust that. I don't know how long it's been sitting. More soft baits. Crazy. Wet wipe. That's bag number one. Bag number two. Yard sale fine. Some saltwater grubs. Got this nice carrying case here with all those old licenses in them. Got fishing rigs. Blackfish tog rig. More fishing rigs. Tons more fishing rigs. Fishing rigs. More. Blackfish rig. Wiki fluke rigs. Now this is listed at $570 and this has probably been sitting for 10 years. Heavy duty leaders, whatever that is. Barrel swivels, hooks. What am I going to do with all this? Bag number three. Weights. Spoons. Looks like they need a little work. Replace the hooks. I guess I'm going to be staying busy all winter. A lot of trash in there, but a lot of stuff you can still use. Let's see what we got in this one. Power bait. Gulp, still in the juice there. Tiny grubs. All kind of soft plastics. Swivels. Brand new in the package here. Trout jigs. And the baits. That's nice. That's going down the shore with me this weekend. Let's see what's next. Nice case here, not much in here. Some soft plastic baits. Look at that. Little paddle tail with the hook in it. More of these spoons and jigs. Look at that. I don't even fish like this. Guess I could hang them on a Christmas tree. Wow, that's pretty unique. What do you call that? Nice spoon there. Catching big fish. Look at that. And the hooks are still sharp. What am I going to do with all this? There's a nice little jig. That's about the size I need. Not all this. Crazy. This guy must have been catching some big fish. I had hooks built right into the jig. What do you think I paid for all this stuff? And I only took half of the guy's stuff. Somebody commented on my TikTok page, he probably bought a new fishing rod and reel every time he went fishing. And I literally believe it.